Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be learning how to delete Play Store search history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Play Store search history on your phone, first open up your Play Store app on your phone, and after opening your Play Store app guys, you'll be on this interface where at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear, where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the list, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and you'll land over here, where at the top of the list guys you can see the general option available for us. First tap on that general option and this kind of interface will appear, where you can see the second option here. It says account and device preferences. Tap on that option where it says account and device preferences and you land over here, and if you scroll down a little bit you can see here it says the clear device search history, and it also says remove searches you have performed from this device. Tap on clear device search history and tap on clear history, and with that being done guys, your search history on your Play Store will be deleted from your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete Play Store search history on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.